Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can fix if Spotify is not playing songs. So if Spotify is not playing songs on either your iPhone or Android, then in this video I've compiled a short list on how you can actually fix this. So fix number one is really easy, but the first thing you simply want to try and do is make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection or that cellular mode is enabled. Because sometimes if you don't have songs downloaded, Spotify will not play those songs without proper Wi-Fi or cellular mode. So make sure that you either have the song downloaded or that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection. Alright, so now with that out of the way, what you can also try and do is clear the cache of our Spotify app. In order to do that, open the app, go to the top left corner of the screen at your profile picture and then click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're right here, just scroll down to Storage, right here, and then click on Clear Cache and click on Clear Cache. Don't worry, your downloads will not be removed, but clearing your cache will basically just free up storage over on your device and it will just make the entire app run a lot smoother. Once you've done that, simply restart the app just like this and then you can check if it's now working. If it's still not working, go into Settings and Privacy again, scroll down again till you find Storage, and now what we need to make sure to do is that we have at least a few gigabytes of storage left on our phone. If we basically have no storage left on our phone, basically less than 1 gigabyte left, then this literally just means that the app will not be able to write cache on our device, meaning that the entire app will start lagging. And this is also the case with Spotify. Just make sure that you have at least 1 gigabyte of storage on your device. It's really important. Alright, so once we have that out of the way as well, what you can also try and do is just make sure that you're not connected on accident by any Bluetooth devices. So if you're connected to any Bluetooth device and you don't want the song to play on that Bluetooth device just from your speaker, and you're accidentally connected to a Bluetooth device and it will look like the song is not playing even though it's just playing through maybe your AirPods or something that are just currently not in your ears. So just make sure that to disable Bluetooth if you don't want to basically play the music to a Bluetooth device. Alright, once we've done that out of the way as well, what you can try and do is also just simply force restarting your device. Maybe your entire device is just not emitting audio, and in order to fix that, just force restart your device. In order to do that, just quickly press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button and hold the power button till your screen goes dark. Keep holding till that Apple logo appears. The second it appears, you can let it go and your iPhone has now been forced restarted. On Android, you can just normally restart and you should also be good to go. Once you've done that and it's still not working, then the only other thing I have for you is simply trying to reinstall your entire Spotify app. You can do this by holding down the app on your home screen, clicking on Remove App, and then just simply reinstalling it back again using the App Store. Now the problem with doing this is that most likely all of your downloads will be gone over on the Spotify app if you don't have it backed up. So keep that in mind. However, this will 99% sure just fix your issue. So I can try it out of none of those other fixes, fix it for you. And that's all I have for you in this video. So let me know down in the comments below which fix it for you. And that being said, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.